Need to stop your Samsung Galaxy from automatically recording every phone call? In this quick 2026 tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable automatic call recording in minutes with no extra apps required. Step 1. Start by opening the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Tap the green phone dialer icon from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the phone app, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the menu with additional call settings. Step 3. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. This will take you to the call settings page where you can manage different calling features. Step 4. Scroll through the available options and tap Record Calls. Depending on your Samsung model or One UI version, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the option is generally easy to find. Step 5. In the Record Call section, find the Auto Record Calls option. If it's currently enabled, the toggle switch will be turned on. Simply tap the toggle to switch it off. Once disabled, your Samsung Galaxy phone will no longer automatically record incoming or outgoing calls. That's it. Automatic call recording is now turned off on your Samsung Galaxy. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more easy Samsung tips and tutorials.